What's up guys, Dave Moss Jr. and this is a video of a series that I've been rolling with called Who's It For? And today's video is on the Nordik Recovery Ultimate Pro Bundle, which is a cold plunge that has a portable tub and a massive beast of a 1 horsepower chiller. And I just want to go over some of the quick answers to some frequently asked questions on this product. Nordik Recovery has kind of came on the scene really fast. They are a Canadian-based company and they have really hit the USA market pretty hard with some affordable options. And I think it's good. I think it's shaking up the cold plunge industry. It's even shaking up the sauna industry. I've reviewed their full spectrum infrared sauna. They just launched an outdoor sauna and they're just coming out with products left and right, which is always a cool thing. It can be a scary thing too. There's been a lot of products that have came out and people are like, hey man, have you seen this product? What are your thoughts on it? And I have only seen Facebook ads for them. There's never been a founder put their face out in front of people. A lot of those companies come and go. But the fact that the founders are the face of this company means a lot. That's an important thing. I think this is a company that's here to stay, personally. Just in my experience, from what I've seen, I think they're here to stay. They're launching a lot of the right products and they're launching a lot of the right products quickly. First thing I want to talk about on this is the Pro Bundle. They do have cheaper options. They have less expensive options, but for the affordability of this, I believe this entire package at time of recording this is around $3,300. That comes with the tub, the chiller, the backpack, the tubes, everything that you need to get this cold. What I do like about this is the chiller itself is a 1 horsepower, still plugs right into a standard household outlet, has a massive industrial pump, has a massive industrial chiller, a 2,900 watt chiller and 120 watt pump. Those are big numbers. If you start shopping around, you start looking, a lot of them are around an 80 to 100 watt pump, and a lot of the chillers in comparison to this are around 2,500 watts, which is good, but this is just a little bit bigger. What that means is it can chill your water down usually faster and a little bit more efficiently. So that's a cool thing. But what I really like is it has 3-stage filtration. You have a pre-filter the water initially goes through before it goes into your entire setup. Then you have a massive 10 by 4.5 inch filter. It's a paper filter you will have to change about once a month. And then ozone gets pumped into the water before it goes back into the tub. That 3-stage filtration is really solid. And what that means is a more enjoyable experience for you when you are cold plunging. Keeps your water nice and clean. And the last thing people want when they're getting in their cold plunge is murky, musty, smelly water. And the ozone and that filtration system does the trick to keep that from happening. That in combination with the pump. The pump moves water fast. What that means is there's a lot of reps happening. Your water is going through that filtration a lot, more than most, because it is moving through it more. A more powerful pump means higher flow rate. Higher flow rate means more water gets cycled through that chiller. More water gets cycled through that chiller, it chills faster, it gets filtered more often. So that's a good thing. The cons, it's really heavy. Like, it's a heavy chiller. The good news is you can install wheels at the bottom of it. It comes with rubber stoppers and wheels, but once you install the wheels on the bottom, it takes that out of the equation. It's nice. You can roll this thing around. It's got 4 wheels, multi-directional wheels. You can lock them into place, but yeah, super simple. Setup was a breeze. You just inflate the tub and they have leak-proof cam locks, so you don't have to actually twist on a hose anymore. You're just making those noises. The cam lock is really easy to set this thing up. Industrial hoses as well. They seem like they're gonna last a long time. Fill it up with water, plug your chiller in and turn it on. It does have an app. I didn't have the greatest experience with the app myself, to be honest. It's set up with Celsius, and that's once again part of being a Canadian-based company. Everything is kind of set up with Celsius in mind. As soon as I transitioned it to Fahrenheit, the app stopped working and the chiller turned off. So I don't know what happened. I went back to Celsius and everything turned back on. So maybe that's a glitch that they'll have fixed at some point, but at time of recording this video, I just want to give you my honest, transparent, authentic thoughts on this product. For the money, I think this is a product worth considering. There are a lot of other options around the same price, so it just depends on what you're looking for. If you need something portable, something that is just, you need that convenience to be able to deflate your tub and take it with you somewhere, maybe you're renting, maybe you don't have a permanent residence, and you just want something that's gonna give you a really good experience, but something that you can move easily, this might be right up there in your considerations list. There are a lot of other options around this price range too, so definitely take a look. I'm not telling you that this is the only one you should buy. Cool thing about my channel is I have free reign to talk about any product I want, anytime I want, any way I want, and that's just how it'll always be. This is no different. There's a lot of different reviews of products on my channel that you might want to check out. Matter of fact, that's probably the reason you should subscribe and share my channel with all of your friends that are into setting up wellness spaces, because I go over all of them, from DIYs to entry level to done for yous to the premium of premium. And that's kind of the cool thing about life, is you never really know where you're gonna end up. I went from being a vice president of a large company to completely quitting that, and now I'm a YouTube product reviewer. You never really know what's gonna happen, but I'm loving it. Life is super, super good. Anyway, back to this product. I digress. Anyway, I think that answered the question, who's this for, who's this not for? Listen, if you have any questions specifically on this product, I have a full review that's gonna pop up on the screen right here, so check that out after this video if you haven't seen that yet. But yeah, I think it's a product worth considering, but that's just my opinion. I'm curious what yours is. Feel free to pop your opinion or questions down in the comments below. There will be a link to this product down in the video description. It'll take you right to the website. You can take a look at all of Nordik Recovery's products, from their saunas to their cold plunges and all the other stuff that they're launching along the lines. If you have a question that you don't want to post on comments here, or maybe you don't have a YouTube channel, or you don't have a YouTube account, not channel, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. It's at dmossjr. I'm very active there. I don't use AI to do anything. I know a lot of people do. I can't stand that. So yeah, reach out to me, ask me a question. I love that. I love helping people set up their wellness space. I love getting to like point people in the right direction, because you might see this video, but you might have a question about something, and I have experience over years time and hundreds of different products, and I can like point you down the direction that makes the most sense for you. So feel free to reach out to me. That's my favorite thing to do. And other than that, hey, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Feel free to check out that review video to pop up right here. Like, subscribe, all that fun YouTubey stuff, or not. At the end of the day, I just appreciate you for watching. So I'll see you on the next video. If you watch one, have a great day, my friends, and God bless.